cool thing about the tablet, I can zoom in and not get any trees. Boom. Happy 4th of July, Cherry Festival. Are you zooming right in between the trees? You zooming in between?
Yeah, I've got a spot right there that's clear.
Yeah.
But my husband took my tripod. Whoa. Yeah. Wow.
That was huge.
Is that one on video?
Got them all on video.
Whoa. Can you get closer now?
Woo!
I love the droopy ones.
Is that the grand finale already?
No.
Is this better than our house?
It's not our house. It's like
Well, you're right close to them at home, but there's nothing like these.
kids trying to let everything off.
You're talking, every time you see one of those go up, it's 500 bucks. We're not talking 10 bucks a shot. We're talking just that right there was probably $750. Yeah. And then you count them all.
Right, fireworks are fun until you think about the financials of them.
Well, they're fun when you don't have to pay for them.
Actually, even to think about it is kind of mind-boggling.
It
Is it really worth what we pay for them? I'm not paying for them, so.
Chinese invented them.
Good job, China.
Oh.
It would be much better if the location was over here. Beautiful.
Yeah, we got longer wire this time.
Right next to the sewage treatment.
Yeah, but
You could definitely have a better view in a boat.
Everything's
Yeah, I
better from a
told
boat.
you. That's why we wanted to go on.
Yeah, but your friend didn't even have a boat in the end. It was a big joke.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna keep this for the
High-powered camera, is it?
Yeah, I'm trying to do some slow shutter speeds, but I'm sort of guessing at which ones are going to be draping
Okay.
and which ones aren't going to be. Yeah, I'm
This is the grand finale.
Not even close.
a lot of duds to sort through when I get home, but that's all right. It's part of the game.
So that was like $1,000 each firework. The next one.
I'll tell you.
go there.
No, none of those cost $100. Those all cost probably. I bet you each one of those is 500.
What about that one?
That's easy. That's probably It doesn't really matter. It's a lot of money, Christian.
What's that thing in the air, Dad? That red thing. And this says.
Airplane. Oh, can you see him?
Kind of.
made something, we would have shot those things. We'll go get some great like,
What color is that?
Oh!
12 grand.
12 grand? That's a grand.
I don't know.
Yeah, that was probably a few $1,000s right there.
That's a grand finale? Yeah.
No, it's not the grand finale.
Wait, when we get home, are they gonna be done?
Yeah, your day's gonna be gone. There we go.
That doesn't look high at all, actually.
You're not there.
Oh, way higher. Trees in the way. Yeah, could they do this tomorrow too?
At the end, we'll come see them closer up on the last one.
When is the last one?
The last day of Cherry Festivals, they do it again.
Right here, that's
Oh,
West Bay.
yeah. Get over? That'd be cool if you could go over there and watch it from right there.
Boy, you'd be better off sitting at the Randolph office, wouldn't you?
Oh, okay.
I would think so.
What Randolph?
That's. We'll climb to the top of the roof.
At least, what, 20 feet up? That's cool. Yeah.
No, just get that video on. No, then we have like. Because I think the USD card. I don't have.
Don't worry about your video. Wouldn't be able to see anything anyway.
Now that. Whoa. Dad, can we go on the bridge?
Doesn't matter. You're so far from where they're launching them, it don't even matter.
Grand finale coming up, Dad? No.
A ways away.
Yeah.
That plane is fearless. It's like I have a picture cake. Wow, yeah, that guy was up all over. He was doing really good. It's actually coming way higher from there. Oh, yeah?
I can smell it from here.
Those are cool.
Imagine the view you get from above. Wouldn't that be cool if you looking down on it? Yeah. That would be terrible. These are still circling around. You wouldn't want your share of the feeling where the ashes
I wouldn't smell it, Dad.
Fireworks.
And then you are no longer Paris.
How can I smell it from right
A
here?
lot of fire going on over there, dude.
Water dragging.
Wow, that's cool.